Do you see the RPMs go up but the car barely moves? You might think the transmission's going bad, but sometimes it's just a faulty shift solenoid. Today, we're gonna go over the symptoms of a bad transmission shift solenoid, so let's get right to it. So basically, the shift solenoid is an electronic valve that controls transmission fluid flow. When the transmission control module commands it on, it opens or closes a passage. This redirects the fluid, which applies the clutch packs and bands and makes the shift happen. On most vehicles, the shift solenoid is going to be located behind the transmission pan. One of the first symptoms you may notice is the check engine light turning on. The transmission control module monitors the operation of the solenoids. If it detects a problem in the circuit or performance of the solenoid, it will store any of these codes. The next symptom you may notice is the vehicle not shifting gears. Each solenoid controls a specific fluid passage for certain gear changes. So if it fails, that gear won't apply. This means fluid never reaches the clutch packs or bands for that gear, so the transmission can't complete the shift. The third symptom is delayed shifting. You might press down the pedal and notice the engine RPM increases, but the transmission takes a moment before it actually shifts. This can happen if the solenoid is sticking or partially clogged, which slows down the fluid pressure needed for the shift. The fourth symptom is your vehicle going into limp mode. Limp mode is a safety feature that protects you and your car. You'll typically be stuck in second or third gear. This helps prevent damage to your car. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.